Hello, everybody. My name is Arturo Barberena, and I'm a student at the University of Texas, Brownsville. And this is my Project 2 Command Prompt tutorial. Command Prompt. Command Prompt is the first user interface system that was created before the friendly user interface system, as you know as Windows. Command Prompt uses a series of commands and lines to open, close, delete, rename, change files and folders on your system. Why do we need to know how to use Command Prompt? Well, because sometimes the Windows software might not be functioning the way you want it. It might not be functioning correctly. So in order to open and close and manipulate your files, you have to use the Command Prompt to back up, restore, or anything like that. And just like any other machine, computers, they need to be maintained and configured. You need to have a recovery, a partition, restoration point, and all that stuff. And if you don't, the command prompt will help you back up any material that you might have that is important. I wanted to show you how to use command prompt on the boot menu, but I wouldn't be able to do that without I wouldn't be able to record this video through the boot menu. So instead, I'm going to use the command prompt from the Windows and just pretend that you're at the boot menu. To get to the boot menu, when you power up your computer, and just when it's powering up, you press the F8 button continuously. You press the F8 function key, and it'll take you to the boot menu. Now, when you're on the boot menu, it'll have options there. You just use your arrow keys on your keyboard and select the command prompt option, or it could be the MS-DOS prompt option. You highlight it and you press enter. Okay, to get to the command prompt on your Windows operating system, you go down to the taskbar, highlight the start button on the taskbar, click it, and right in the bottom where it says search programs and files, you type in CMD, and that's short for the command prompt. Under where it says programs, you highlight the icon here, right click, and run as administrator, and you click yes. And then there is the command prompt window. Looks familiar, doesn't it? Okay, as you could see, I'm at the command prompt, and as I open it under administrator, it takes me to the root menu, C:/Windows/System32. This is my entire system, my entire computer system, and not my username. Now, in order to find out what's inside my computer system, you have to open up a directory. To open up a directory, you type in dir, short for directory. But to open up a specific directory, you need to add something before that. In this case, I'm kind of tired of the bland look that we have here, the black and white look. Let me open up the color directory. Type in color, and then you type in dir for directory. Press enter, and here it gives you instructions and options for changing the outlook of your command prompt. In this case, I'm gonna go ahead and choose. I'm gonna go ahead and choose the color. Type in color. I'm gonna choose the blue background, which is number 1, and I'm gonna choose the green foreground, which is number 2. Sorry, 1, 2. Change. No, I don't like that. So we gotta do it again. Let's try green and then blue. Better. How about this? We put color and we'll choose a blue background but with a light green foreground, 1A. That's it. That's what I want to see. Okay, now back to the directory. Directory on the system is going to be rather large, so large you won't be able to see it all on the command prompt, but let's do it anyway so you have an idea. I type in dir for short for directory, press enter, and as you can see, what popped up is hundreds of thousands of my files on my computer. And when you see the dir right here, that's a folder, and that's a directory to a folder. As you go all the way to the bottom, these are all my files. Or you go all the way to the bottom, you can see how many files I have: 2,581 files and 91 directories. That's 91 folders. This is obviously way too much, and I want to see what's in the folders. In order to do that, you go to tree. You type in tree, and it'll show you what's in your folders and in chronological order. Type in tree and press enter, and this is what comes out. On the app folder, on this folder, I have all these other files. Under this folder, task, I have all these other files. Under the Windows folders, there's a Windows folder, and under the Windows folder, there's all these files here. But that's way too much for us to go through, right? So let's make it more specific. I'm gonna change the root directory, which is the c:/. I'm gonna change it to my user profile on my computer. In order to do that, you command the prompt, which is cd, and you type in /users/ I put my name because that's my login name on my computer. Enter. And as you can see, the root changed. It changed from /windows/system32 to user/Arturo, my name, to the user profile on my computer. Now, in order to find out what's in my user profile, again, we type in a directory, dir, and there it is. I have 13 directories, and these are all the folders I have on my profile. There's contacts folder, my desktop folder, my documents folder, my downloads folder, my favorites folder, links, music, pictures, saved games, searches, videos, and whatnot. Okay, I want to open up another folder. I'm going to open up my pictures folder. In order to do that, you put cd. You command the prompt to take you to the cd pictures folder. You put cd pictures, enter, and as you can see, the root directory changed again. /pictures. In order to find out what's in my pictures folder, again, use that directory, dir. There it is. These are the files I have on my pictures folder. I have 3 directories, but only one has folders in them. That's pics file. Again, you gotta open the pics file by pressing cd, command the prompt, copy the file name, press enter. You can see the root directory changed again. And in order to find out what's in that pics file, go ahead and type in directory one more time. There you go. That's all the picture files I have on that folder. These are all the picture files. These are the DIRs right here. They're the folders I have there. Okay, now let's open up a file on command prompt. Okay, as you can see, we're still at the command prompt where it's my pics file. Okay, now I'm gonna choose a file from my pictures folder, and I'm gonna choose I don't know, this one right here. This one's simple, photo.jpg. That's a JPEG file. In order to open up that file, you type in call. Type in call on the command prompt and the file name, which is photo.jpg. And then you press enter. And there's a file. It's a picture of food. Let's upload another one. Put call, and we'll go ahead and open up I don't know, how about photo dot capital JPG, capital JPEG. It's the same folder. How about photo 0022.jpg. Enter. Playing cards. Nice. Let's see what call. You know what? Let's open up a directory. CD. Open up pics of stuff. It picks a stuff folder, and then we gotta find out what's in the folder. All these pictures here. Okay, let's find out what could we open up. Okay, let's call file 414.jpg, JPG, enter. That comes out. Or call, let's see here, 429.jpg. That's another picture right there. Funny pictures. How about call funny / sorry, just one slash summer02.jpg. There's a monkey with girls. Anyway, you get the idea. So in order to after you're done opening up files and just seeing where everything is, you want to go back to a previous directory but don't want to type all that stuff again. The best way to do it is to press CD command and period dot dot. It'll take you back one folder again, dot dot, again, dot dot, dot dot, dot dot, CD, and it'll take you back to the C directory, the C drive. Now you want to find out what's in the C drive, just directory. That's all that's in the C drive. I'm gonna go ahead and open up CD Windows dot old. I'm gonna put a directory. Then I'm gonna open up the users folder directory, and I'm gonna open up the CD AB123 file directory. And there I'm going to choose documents file. See if we could open up documents directory. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and go back. CD. Okay. In order to exit the directory, the command prompt, you just type in simply exit. And then there it is. Well, this has been the tutorial. Thank you for listening, and thank you for paying attention, and I hope this helps you in more ways than one. My name is Arturo Barberena, and goodbye.